Let's make product manipulation. Change background color and make rectangle shape with light shade. Bring a shape and make a 3D box shape with pen. Make a shape to give inside look to box. Now make upper shape of box. Make a rectangle shape and adjust its place. Clip new layer to upper shape and brush with dark shade. Do the same process with the side shapes. Make copy of side shapes and bring down with low opacity to make shadow. Make copy of upper shapes and bring down and apply blur with low opacity. Again, refine the shape of rectangle if needed. Now bring a ring in PNG and adjust it. Select rectangle and take mask on ring and remove some parts. Clip new layer on rectangle and brush with black. Make a group of all box layers. Now make a rectangle with white and apply outer glow effect. Make multiple copies of it and adjust in different angles. Now make copy of both sides and place it down with low opacity to make shadow. Take mask on light shadow and remove some parts. Take new layer on ring and brush with white and adjust with perspective tool. Take new layer on background and brush with light shade. Thank you for watching.